Senior Suna. And you know what? I can't believe I'm on this other side now taking video of myself. You know, at the end of the day, usually I'm the one taking videos of other people, taking photos of other people, but now here I am. I'm really excited for this opportunity that you have provided, and I'm looking forward to be part of the Save the Elephants team. You know, it's a journey that, it's my passion. I'm so excited about, I'm passionate about environment, I'm passionate about nature, and you know, I've also done community development, I've done public relations as my minor too, and I'm just ready to be part of this journey towards saving these elephants. I'm passionate about photography. I have also a blog that I run on daily basis, and majorly it's majorly the things that trend, you know, things that are happening. I'm really cautious about my surroundings. So at the end of the day, I'm just really excited